Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlock the Steam Community Marketplace. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select View My Wallet from the options that appear. This will take you to your Steam Wallet page where you can manage your account balance. Now, here's an important step because unlocking the marketplace requires you to add funds to your account. Select the $5 USD option or the equivalent amount in your currency, then click Add Funds. This minimum purchase is one of Steam's requirements for marketplace access and helps verify your account. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to pay for these funds. Click on the drop-down menu to select your payment method. Steam offers various options like credit cards, PayPal, and other regional payment methods, so pick whichever works best for you. After selecting your preferred method, enter your payment details and click Continue to proceed with the transaction. Here's the crucial part that many people miss. You can't just add funds to your wallet and call it a day. You must actually spend those funds on Steam by purchasing games or items. This spending requirement is essential for unlocking marketplace access, so let's walk through how to do that. In the upper left corner, click Store to head to the Steam Store page. Once you're there, look to the right side and click the magnifying glass icon to open the search function. This allows you to search for any Steam games you're interested in purchasing. Browse through the results and click on the game you want to buy. Each game page will show you detailed information, reviews, and pricing to help you make your decision. When you've found a game you like, click Add to Cart. After that, click View My Cart to see your selected items and review your purchase. Once you're ready to complete the transaction, click Continue to Payment and use your wallet funds to buy the game. This purchase officially meets Steam's spending requirement for marketplace access. But wait, there's one more critical step. You also need to enable Steam Guard, which is Steam's two-factor authentication system. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and is mandatory for marketplace access. To set this up, open your Steam app and log in again. In the upper left corner, click Steam, then select Settings from the menu. In the left panel of the settings window, click Security to access your account security options. Now click Manage Steam Guard. I can't show you the exact options right now since I've already enabled my Steam Guard, but you'll see a list of authentication methods to choose from. Select your preferred option and follow the prompts to complete the setup. After you've completed all these steps, adding funds, spending them, and enabling Steam Guard, you'll need to wait 7 days. The marketplace will then unlock automatically if all conditions are met. This waiting period is Steam's way of ensuring account security and preventing fraudulent activity. And that's it. You've now set up everything needed to access the Steam Community Marketplace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.